Hey ya, it's Angeline. I'm back with a crafty video with Unity stamp, and today I'm going to show you how I created this card. So first, I've already stamped this cute Cuddlebug Fawn by Unity and Tara Jackson, and I'm grabbing some Tim Holtz distress paints here to paint her in. So I'm starting off with Antique Linen, which is the lightest shade here, and I'm grabbing my water brush here and just grabbing the paint from the cap itself to paint the lightest parts of her in without any crazy shading. Next, I'm grabbing the Wild Honey Distress paint here, and now I'm adding some shadowing to her body, and as you can see, the paints are blending really well, and you can always add more water to just spread the paint around. It just acts exactly like a watercolor, but it's kind of more opaque and a thick consistency. So if you prefer a better coverage, don't add water, but if you prefer a looser kind of more watercolor feel, just add water and it will do its magic. And finally, I'm grabbing the Spice Marmalade here just to add even more shadow to this cute fawn here. Once you're happy and done with painting, just leave it to dry before you assemble your card. For the background, I've already stamped and colored this beautiful new stamp called Strawberry Fields by Angie Blom with some Copic markers here, and I'm just assembling the cute Cuddlebug fawn and the sentiment to my card. And I'm also adding some sequins to her head because she's so pretty, I just had to. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!